Do you even know me? Hello everyone. Hi, Namaskara. This is Akshita. So, ಇವತ್ತಿನ video ಒಂದು a bit different from what you have already seen on my channel. So, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತನಕ I have posted 50 short videos on my channel. And till date, I have not recorded any long format video. So, as my 51st video on my channel, I thought that I should post something which is a long format content. So, what I have thought of is I have jotted down few questions which are very generic. ಇದು ಒಂಥರ beyond those shots that you would have already seen or not seen, I don't know. Beyond our videos, what am I ಅಂತ ನಾನೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ತರ I will let you know through few questions. ನೋಡೋಣ how this goes. So taking my first question, where am I from? So basically I am from Karnataka, born and brought up in Shimoga. Studies ತನಕನೂ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗದಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಗಿದಿದ್ದು. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು I have been in Tumkur and Bangalore ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So completely born and brought up in Karnataka. Second question, what do you actually do apart from YouTube? So basically I have a job apart from YouTube. I work and I'm doing this as well. That's it. And other than that, maybe regarding my education, I'm a BE pass out, electronics and communication engineering. I finished my bachelor's of engineering. Yes. Then when did you start posting videos seriously? So YouTube nalli I have posted way back in 2020, which I have deleted, which was a different channel altogether. Eega bandu in this channel you have been seeing me regularly since October 2025, 15th of October 2025. Since then I have been posting on this channel. That's it. Do you plan your videos or just speak? So ee tara videos wherein I'm just speaking, this is a not scripted video, but recently in my videos, whatsoever shots that you have seen, I have scripted those line by line. Yes, so those are like planned videos. Yeah. Do you get nervous before recording? 100% yes, because ee tara direct ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ at least I can do, but when there is a script I feel very nervous. And it takes time for me to like understand those scripts and then speak about it, even if I have only written that. But still, whenever I have to talk a script in front of camera, I just get nervous. Are you confident in real life or only on camera? Camera, I don't know. You guys should say that to me. But in real life, I really think that I am a confident person. I would not say that I am a not so confident person and all. Generally, I'm a confident person in life. Coming to the next question, why did I choose communication as a topic? To be honest, first video post madbekare I did not think of any topic that I would be speaking about. It was very random. I just took it as a challenge and I posted on that day. But at the aadmele, when I was thinking what are the topics that I can post on, communication bandu, this was a skill that I was currently working on. So it made sense for me to share that, because currently nanu idanne kalita irodanne share madana anta. That's how communication became the topic of this channel. Yes, that was the only logic behind this. Do people assume things about you because of your videos? So I think people assume that I'm an extroverted person, which is 60% true, but to a 40% extent, I don't think that I'm an extroverted person to myself. I do not think, but many people who are around me think that I'm an extroverted person. That is one assumption, maybe. I don't know. What do you enjoy the most about making videos? So the one thing that I'm enjoying most about making these videos is I get to see myself in a lot of different perspectives. Someday I see a girl who is very confident. Someday I see a girl who don't know what to do with her hands. Someday I see a girl who cannot pronounce very simple words. Someday I see a girl who is just dancing on her own thoughts. All of this has been like, ಇದನ್ನಿಂದ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ, all of these things are captured on video, so I can just rewatch this and enjoy my own moments. So I am really enjoying that regarding making videos. What are you still figuring out? So a lot of stuff. I'm figuring out my career, my personal life, my confidence, my communication, a lot of things in general, and I really don't want everything to be figured out also. Yes. Okay. Coming to the next question, how long did you actually take to record one video? So it depends. Sometimes I have short videos in like one take itself, but sometimes I have like taken like 10 takes for one video also. This has happened. So it is not a particular time that generally is something that I know that this is the only time that I need to shoot. But sometimes in scripting I know that it will take at least like half an hour to 1 hour at max. I'll script a video, but while recording, if something goes wrong, I will retake that a number of times and it takes time, and I don't have a particular time to tell you. Do you rewatch your own videos? As I already said, I'm enjoying the process of making those videos, so yes, of course I rewatch my own videos a number of times. uh, what's one thing people don't see behind the camera? Behind the camera, maybe the retakes that I would have taken, or the pauses that I do, or the mumbling that I do. All of these things definitely do not come on the video, so you might miss it. That's it. Do you ever feel like skipping a day of posting? So till date on my channel, the first 30 videos I posted every day, which was not actually an exhaustion, to be honest, because ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ I was at home. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ 30 ಡೇಸ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಟು ಬಿ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ವೀಕ್ಲಿ 3 ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಐ ರೀಸ್ಕೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒನ್ ಡೇನೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು 3 ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಕೆಡ್ಯೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ವೀಕ್. ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಮೈಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಅ ಡೇ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ fortunately I have not skipped any day, which I'm proud of. I'm proud of myself for the discipline that I have shown. But yeah, that thought definitely crossed my mind. What's something small you have learned from posting regularly? There are a lot of things that I have figured out because of me posting every day. First thing bandu, I need not to be perfect to show up. It is important, even if you are imperfect, to show up is something that I have learned during this course. I just did not want to wait to be perfect, which I am learning through this journey of YouTube. And second thing that has crossed my mind and which has stayed with me for a while now is when I speak, I get a lot of clarity, which is something that I think that I was not having for a very long time. And during the making of videos and all, I get a lot of clarity in my mind, what to speak, how to structure things, all of this. So that is something that I have learned very recently, maybe. Yes, that's it for today. So if you have been watching my videos, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. All the appreciation that I have gotten from a lot of people, thank you so much. Because of all of those appreciations and validations that I have gotten along this journey, because of which I have been posting very regularly. And second of all, if you are new here, welcome. I'm a very imperfect, just a kind of girl who is learning and who is sharing her own learnings on this channel. Yes, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.